90 storms every single year, and every time, the same story repeats. This isn't a warning. This is already happening. Taya. T-A-Y-A. T. Tingnan ang tunay na kalagayan ng kalikasan. Our rivers clogged with plastic. Our forests getting thinner. Our oceans choking. We see it, we feel it. But do we act on it? A. Ang kinin na tayo ay may pananagutan. We can't keep pointing fingers because the truth, the world is suffering from the choices that we make every day. YA. Yakapin ang oras ng agarang pagkilos. One habit, one choice, one action. Small moves create big waves. The climate is changing fast, but we can change faster.